Hi guys, this is البياتي from البياتي General Trading in Dubai. Today I'm gonna speak about the GPZ 7000, how to set it, how to use it, what is the best setting you could use, what to avoid. Please stay with me and complete the video. It will be a bit long, but I will try to give it all in a quick. I don't want to go in more details. So the machine is ZVT technology, the technology which is only my lab have it, no company else have it. It's the best technology till now, till today in 2020. There is no technology coming soon better than this one. No one announced, and same company, they are working more and more to develop a better detector, and you will have it as soon as they finish it. So I will not take too long. I will take you directly to the main screen. I will show you how to do the factory preset. So this is the machine. You press here this button, the machine will switch on. We choose the language you like. We'll use English. This one is not important. It's for the GPS if you want to upload your information online. So over here we go to the ground type. We make sure that it's in high yield. High yield, it will detect the tiny nuggets. It will detect big one as well, deep and sensitive. If you don't want to catch the fine gold, small ones, you put it on general. If you want to use the GPZ for treasure hunting, you put it on extra deep. So these two, you could use them for natural gold. This one I prefer it for people who's looking for treasure. What I mean by treasure, the people who's looking for stuff like a size of my hand. So we'll put it on here, high yield. Ground type, it depends on the ground you have. So the best one to make the machine give all the power, we put it on normal. But if your machine doesn't get stable, we put it on difficult. So the best one we use normal. Severe, that we will not use, only for the people who have very high mineralization. So we're gonna put it on normal. Volume as you wish, but I prefer between 12 to 15, not more than that. Sensitivity, I adjusted between 15 to 17. I use it on 15. Over here you have the quick start. You press it, you will raise up your machine, will do noise cancelling, then you will do the ground balance. We'll come back later on to that one. You have over here the threshold. So the people who was using a GPX, they will not like the continuous sound in the machine. That is a new feature added to the GPZ, to the SDC, that the threshold is continuous. You could switch it off from here, but I don't recommend that because this one will give you a better depth, a better result. And this one, we try it and it succeeds. Audio smoothing, you switch it off. So you will close one of the filter for the sound. You will get a direct sound from the ground. The machine, it will be a bit noisy, more noisy, but you will pick deeper and more sensitive. I have tried this one with my people in Saudi Arabia and they say it gives a good result. The rest we will not use. Make sure that if you are not using the speaker, the MW12, that you switch off the Bluetooth, you switch off the GPS if you are not using it, so the machine could last longer. You have here the backlight. We make the 20 second, then the machine will turn off the screen. So we'll make the battery stay for a longer period. Because after you do the settings, you will not need the screen, because the machine will give you only sound, and that sound does not show or a number showing the screen that this is gold or another metal. Like what you see, it's here, it's off. Last thing I want to show you, from here you could change the language. From here you could do the factory preset. If someone change so many things in the machine and you want to reset it, you could reset it from here. We'll come back to the main page for the quick start. When you press it, please don't press reset, do it left, keep current setting. Machine will tell you raise up, you will follow the instruction in the picture. On the circle complete, after this one is noise cancelling. If you are in a place that it's noisy, the machine will select a frequency, a stable frequency, so the machine will work quiet. Now it's done. It will show you like that. It's okay. Now what we have to do is we have to do a ground balance. We will put the yellow piece and we keep pressing the button which is behind the screen. It's located here, same as the picture. So keep press. We'll do the ground balance by this way. Try to keep the machine very near from the ground till it tell you like that. So we will do it left and right and we twist, or we do at infinity sign, and it should be in a place that there is no metal. You check the place before you do the ground balance. After that the machine will be set and you could go. My advice for all the miners that when they use this machine, they have to walk very slow and they have to make the coil very near from the ground. I think that this is all the information I want to speak about the machine. If you have any question, please put it in the comments, and hope you find big nugget and you share it with me. Thank you.